Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate web server management with DigitalOcean, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the droplets section in the DigitalOcean dashboard. Click on the Create Droplet button to set up a new server. Choose an operating system that suits your web application, such as Ubuntu. Select a plan that fits your performance needs, starting from the basic tier. Under Additional Options, consider enabling backups for extra security. Choose data center regions that are closest to your user base for optimal speed. Click Create Droplet to launch your server. After your droplet is created, note the IP address provided. Use an SSH client to connect to your droplet. In your terminal, type SSH root at your _droplet_IP and hit enter. Accept the host key by typing yes when prompted. Enter your root password to log into the server. Update your server's packages by typing sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Install any necessary software packages your application requires. For web server management, install a tool like Docker for easier deployment. Run sudo apt install docker.io to install Docker. Once installed, enable and start the Docker service with sudo systemctl enable Docker and in sudo systemctl start Docker. Next, consider using Docker Compose for multi-container applications. Install Docker Compose by downloading its binary. Make it executable by running chmod +x/usr/local/bin/docker compose. Check the installation with Docker Compose version. Now, set up your application within a Docker container. Create a Docker file defining your application environment. Write a docker compose.yml file to define services, networks, and volumes. Build your image using the command docker compose build. Spin up your application with docker compose upd. Install any server monitoring tools, such as Prometheus or Grafana, for insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.